Welcome to Effortless Video, calling on Signal.
Discover how easy it is to make secure video calls using Signal. This guide will walk you through the process, from downloading Signal to making your first video call. Whether you're new to Signal or just want to master its video calling features, you'll find simple, clear instructions here.
Installing and setting up Signal.
To get started, download the Signal app from your phone's App Store. After installing, open Signal and register your mobile number. You'll receive a verification code by SMS to confirm your identity. Set up your profile by adding a name and, if you like, a photo. Now you're ready to begin connecting with friends.
Starting your first video call.
Open your Signal app and select a contact from your chat list. Tap the camera icon in the top right corner to start a video call. Your contact will receive a call notification. Once they answer, the video call will begin. Audio and video are encrypted, meaning your conversation is private and secure.
Managing call settings and features.
During a Signal video call, you can mute your microphone or switch between front and back cameras. Tap the appropriate icons on the call screen for these options. To end the call, press the red phone button. Signal doesn't store your calls, ensuring your conversations remain confidential.
Troubleshooting common video call issues.
If you have trouble with Signal video calls, check your internet connection first. A weak signal can cause dropped calls or poor video quality. Ensure Signal has permission to access your camera and microphone in your device's settings. If problems continue, try restarting the app or your phone, and make sure both you and your contact have the latest version of Signal.
Tips for the best Signal video calling experience.
For optimal video calls, use a strong Wi-Fi connection and good lighting. Keep your app updated to benefit from the latest security and features. If you want more privacy, use Signal's blur feature to obscure your background. Enjoy connecting confidently, knowing your calls are protected with one of the world's most trusted messaging apps.